Your business is racking up reviews on different sites, but sharing them feels like you're sending clients on a wild goose chase. Figuring out how to collect reviews from different platforms is a huge lift, and after all that, you still have to display them on a platform that's easy to access and tweak. Imagine a tool that lets you connect major reviewing platforms and showcase customer feedback on your website with fully branded widgets. Introducing JustReview. What is JustReview? JustReview lets you collect reviews from over 20 online platforms and embed them on your site to build trust and boost conversions. You can easily gather customer reviews of your company from 24 different websites with this tool and display them on your website. To improve presentation, quickly link the accounts you want to pull reviews from, sort by criteria like rating, date, or length, and even apply a language filter. You'll be able to access reviews straight from e-commerce websites like Google Shopping, Etsy, Amazon, and eBay. Pull reviews from platforms like Amazon, Facebook, Yelp, or Product Hunt and embed them on your site with customizable widgets. Alternative 2. Embed social. Let customers leave reviews directly on your site, and Google Rich Snippets data increases conversions from search. Best for e-commerce shops, service providers, and agencies that want an easy way to leverage reviews to supercharge sales. Collect all the reviews. By using advanced tools and magical technologies, we can collect all your reviews from the web every single day. You are notified when a new review pops up in any service, and we embed it on your website right away. We work hard to help you make your offer even more appealing to customers. And your satisfaction makes us proud. JustReview Badge. With JustReview, you can collect all the reviews and testimonials concerning your brand all in one place. But now, you can also conveniently include them on each of your subpages in the form of a JustReview badge. It's a simple and transparent way of building your social proof that really works. Try it now and watch closely how the number of your customers systematically grows. JustReview Testimonials. Forget about retyping and copying your customers' reviews. Implement a review section on the website. With our website feedback widget, you can present the best textual opinions about your business in an easy and intuitive way directly on your website with star ratings. You decide which reviews should be published and which are not worth it. We'll also notify you about any new reviews published by influential people so that you can show them off immediately. JustReview Counters. Review counters are the best way to present your average rating and the number of reviews on any service to visitors on your website. And this is an easy way to strengthen customers' trust in your company. What's more, you can easily customize your counters using our intuitive creator, so it will suit the design of your website. Don't waste all those incredible reviews, but use them to show people how good you are. JustReview Summary. Show off your average rating and the number of reviews from the chosen services in the form of a transparent summary. It's the easiest way to draw your customers' attention and make them realize how good your services and products are. So let those incredible reviews work their magic and start building your social proof right away. With JustReview Summary on the website, you can quickly show your customers how trustworthy your company is, and we are sure that they'll stick with you for a long time. JustReview Stars. Make your products even more appealing by presenting their average rating in the form of JustReview stars. Such graphics, when placed right next to the product's picture and its specification, can quickly boost your sales. It's all about people following the herd. If the customers see how popular and well-reviewed the product is, they are encouraged to buy it. So start making use of your social proof and watch how the number of your customers grows day by day. There's no more time to waste. JustReview Page. Create a whole subpage where all the reviews, testimonials, and review counters will be conveniently gathered in one place. Show the customers your company's average rating to let them know how trustworthy you are. And give the users a chance to write their own reviews directly on your website. It's really easy and effective at the same time. Google Rich Snippets Data. Now your website can be additionally enriched with Google Rich Snippets data. Draw the attention of potential customers to your products and services with widget ratings pinned right under their Google search results. Not only will it increase their CTR, but also the website's traffic. Try it right away and see the difference. Collect reviews on your own website. Collect any reviews and testimonials related to your business within your own website. Manage them as you wish and watch how this positive feedback expands your customer base. JustReview Lifetime Deal Features Overview. Connecting with Product Hunt, Capterra, and Citigabber for software and tech evaluations is also simple. Additionally, it works with location-based services and social media platforms like Facebook, Google Maps, and Yelp, allowing you to increase foot traffic to actual physical locations. Pick from a variety of embeddable display widgets to present data in a way that matches the style of your business. Even better, choose hues that complement your logo. The badge widget aggregates reviews from many sites and is attached to your website as a static icon that remains visible when people scroll. You can display full-text content and sort comments by emotion using the testimonials function. With the summary widget, you can highlight an overview of customer evaluations for the services of your choice, and the stars widget will display your ranking across many websites. Additionally, it enables you to increase organic search click-through rates and foster customer trust before they even visit your website. Simply use the Google Rich Snippets data APIs to show overall star ratings for your product or service below search results. Customers will immediately recognize that you are trustworthy, increasing their likelihood of visiting your website and make a purchase. The best part is that this tool doesn't just compile reviews from other places. Only this particular tool allows customers to post reviews right on your website. Create a specific subpage on your website with a client feedback form using the page widget. Additionally, you may provide reviewers with a smooth user experience since there is no need to register on external websites. Additionally, you have full control over what reviews are shown when you utilize the on-site widget, and you can even hide critical comments from the admin panel. Take reviews from websites like Amazon, Facebook, Yelp, or Product Hunt and incorporate them into your website using widgets that you may customize. Another option is to embed social. Allowing customer reviews on your website will enhance conversions from search, thanks to Google Rich Snippets data. Best for e-commerce businesses, service providers, and agencies looking for a simple way to use reviews to boost sales. The last thing you want is for potential customers to think that your business is too good to be true. That's why JustReview makes it easy to collect reviews from more than 20 platforms and embed them on your site, so you can show the world how awesome your company really is. Get lifetime access to JustReview today. JustReview plans and features. Deal terms and conditions. Lifetime access to JustReview. All future Pro Plan, Tier 1, or Ultimate Plan, Tiers 2 and 3, updates. No codes, no stacking, just choose the plan that's right for you. You must activate your license within 60 days of purchase. Ability to upgrade or downgrade between 3 license tiers. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. JustReview features are included in all plans. Unlimited websites. Unlimited page views. Review export to CSV. Best reviews on top. Google Rich Snippets data. Filter by page language. Appsumo offers 3 pricing plans. Pricing number 1. License Tier 1. One-time purchase of $69. All features above are included. 20,000 reviews. White labeling. Pricing number 2. License Tier 2. One-time purchase of $119. All features above are included. 40,000 reviews. White labeling. Pricing number 3. License Tier 3. One-time purchase of $199. All features above are included. Unlimited reviews. White labeling. So why are you late? Get JustReview lifetime access today. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.